Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for an American Express credit card in Australia. It's a straightforward process, and if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And in saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is head over to americanexpress.com, en-au. And now on this page here, what you want to do is scroll down, and then you want to click into credit cards where under it says get an American Express card. So click credit cards. And on this page here, it says here, explore our full range of cards. So what you want to do is browse through the different credit card options available. Various cards such as a platinum card, gold card, and various reward cards and cashback cards. So if you just have a look on this page here, scroll down and just check out which one best suits your needs. So you got the platinum card there, the Qantas American Express Ultimate card, and you can see all the featured benefits on the side of these two, and also a little bit of information about it. If you want to learn more about each of these cards, just click on the Learn More tab. So if I go into the American Express Platinum card, I'm going to open this into another tab. It's going to give a rundown of all the benefits inside of here. So as you can see, annual fee of 1,400 per annum. You get 2.25 points on purchases excluding government bodies in Australia per $1 spent. 1 point on purchases at government bodies in Australia per $1 spent. Yeah, so you can read all that stuff on each of these different type of cards. And yeah, just go over and just compare the features, benefits, and really take your time on this as well. And now you got to check your eligibility. So each card has a specific criteria. Generally, you must be at least 18 years or older, an Australian citizen or permanent resident, and you've got to be earning a minimum income. It varies by card as well. And your credit history. So you got to have a good credit history, as this will be checked during the application process. So when you apply for one of these cards, you'll need to provide personal details such as your full name, date of birth, and contact information. Also, proof of identity, so a form of identification such as a driver's license or passport. And also, you need recent payslips, tax returns, or bank statements to verify your income. And of course, you also need your employment details. So, information about your current employment, including your employer's contact details and your position. And now to apply online, so navigate to the credit card you wish to apply for. So for this demonstration, I'm going to do this one here, the Qantas American Express Ultimate card. So I'm going to click into this one. And now as you can see, I'm here. And what you want to do is click on the Apply Now button. So I'm going to click onto this. And now you need to tell us about yourself to begin. So you need to give yourself a title, first name, as per your ID, middle name, optional last name, all this stuff, your telephone number, email address. You got to put your income information, your total annual salary before tax goes in here. And then you can, if you got additional source of income, just click that and add that and scroll down. And then you got to continue to finances. And now just submit all the necessary documents after this as well. And now once you've put through your application, you're probably wondering about the processing time. So once submitted, will review your application, and this can take a few days. And then so they'll conduct credit checks as part of their approval process as well. And now once you're approved, you'll receive a notification via email or mail. And then after that, if you are approved, your new credit card will be sent to your provided address, and then follow the instructions included with your card to activate it. This can usually be done online or over the phone. And now I'm going to give you a couple of tips as well for a successful application. So accuracy. So ensure all information provided is accurate and up to date, and maintain a good credit score by paying bills on time and managing existing credit responsibility. And documentation, have all the required documents ready before starting the application to avoid any unnecessary delays as well. And if you want to contact American Express, so if you've got any questions or need assistance, you can contact American Express Australia customer service at 1300 132 639. And now, yeah, following the steps I've outlined, you should be able to successfully apply for an American Express credit card in Australia.